Is the 2026 transhuman agenda forcing brain chips on humanity? Neuralink trials exploding, and they want you next. Stick with me, this is your mind about to be hacked. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's interface the truth. X is viral with Neuralink videos. 2025 human trials jump to 500 patients, implants controlling cursors with thought alone. Musk calls it enhancement, leaked docs call it merge with AI. Here's the chip push, FDA fast-tracked despite seizures in monkey trials, deaths hidden. Connect the dots, same tech ties to DARPA mind control projects, patents for thought reading/writing. Think it's voluntary? Wrong. Job listings on X require neural compatibility for elite positions, refuse, no hire. Skeptical? Leaked WEF slide, by 2030, human AI fusion mandatory for full societal participation. Why does this matter? Your thoughts, memories, soul, hacked and owned. Lose your mind, lose your humanity. Your free will uploaded to their cloud. Ex-patients post-personality changes, loving fathers now emotionless. What can you do? 4 steps. Reject any enhancement offers, stay fully human. Shield from EMFs, Faraday hats, grounding. Post-trial horror stories on X, amplify voices. Share this video. Stop the brain merge. This is your soul on the chopping block. That's the truth they're hiding. But we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?